Alright, hang on. Pause that. It just started going off again. It's sitting here turned off. I just want to note that. Like you can see, it's distinctly off. Actually, it's kind of hard to see. Hang on. There it goes. Look. Is that some... I have to cover the speaker. Is that some kind of SOS or something? Beep beep beep. That's an SOS almost. Flat battery signals showing up. Is that some kind of Morse code that I'm not aware of? I can't type it in. I'm trying to find a Morse code reader. Input data. I can't input data. I need to use a mic, you fuck. I give up. But you hear that? It's going full spasticus maximus on me. Oh, hey! Oh. Looked like there was a number 1 there for a second. You can see the flat battery warning despite the fact it's turned off. That shouldn't show up. Like, look. That is working. And now it's going full spastic. Can I... oh, no. Stop, you fucking fuck.